Hello out there world, how you doing? I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Dzień dobry wszystkim, and today I just arrived to the Eat Street in Seminyak, the place where so many restaurants and the boutiques and the shops around is definitely picking up. I can tell you already, I passed full entire street because before I started to vlogging, and it's definitely much more busy and so many tourists international walking around. There is some big tours of the people from Indonesia somewhere driving the old Volkswagen cars. That's actually a big tour. I decided I'm gonna show you. If they are passing just now, why not? Like the car, that's for sure. And just the beginning of the street, the corner, you can see already at least 7 tourists international around. So that's really good. Also there's so many boutiques like Paulina Katarina and other tourists and stuff like this. So it's definitely much way better than it was either last month, 2 months ago. Still okay, there's no like it was because this street was as busy as you couldn't even drive. It was very hard to walk, of course, and the restaurant was full busy, but you can see on every few 20 meters the group of the tourists, international tourists, that's for sure. Most of the boutiques are open, however you can still find the restaurants like this one closed. Hello! Hello! Massage ladies are also here. There is the Revolver Cafe. Maybe I'm gonna show you because many of you are interested, maybe, yeah. So this is the entrance to the Cafe. Revolver is open. Revolver Espresso, there are ladies over there. Hello. Some Greek restaurant here. Like I said, it's still plenty of tables, but there are people interested about shopping actually. Here we go, some couple, and over there also a lot of Singaporean people right now in Bali, like this couple at the front, I bet. But still you can find empty places, unfortunately still. So in case if you are totally not familiar about this area, that's supposed to be like the image just behind me, full of the restaurants and the happy people enjoying their dinner and lunch. Especially right now it's already 5 p.m. and supposed to getting very busy, and in normal conditions if you wanted to have a dinner somewhere you had to make a reservation, otherwise there was not enough space for you. And the traffic here was like to pass the street, what is about 800 meters, you had to have like 1 hour in the car at least. It was just simply better to walk than drive. However, for that we have to wait for another few months. But I have to tell you, as situation is definitely picking up, especially if we compare to the last time when at the beginning of the April I was making a live stream here. Maybe you remember I got caught by the rain, and at that time was extremely quiet. But now it's getting better. However, still few months, maybe next year they will be really busy. But it's getting better and better, that's for sure. Routes are closed. Hello. Yeah, and this one is open. This is a small gang, you have to be careful how you walk. Here was the old Ultimo restaurant, what they moved, I'm gonna show you later. And somewhere here was the also popular restaurant, I forgot the name, but it's gone. This one is something new, I think, I'm not sure. It's a lot of changes also. I think this one was something very popular, like a Rumors or something like that. Italian Job. Italian Job was quite busy when they had a 50% off for everything. Now they have a 25% and they are quiet. However, they keep opening all the time. They were never closed. Some touch you in case if you would like to use their service. Massage, no problem of any kinds. As always, there are some tourists here surrounded by the small kids who are trying to sell you something. That's also quite a big problem nowadays in Bali. Bluebirds driving also around. This is Salazon restaurant, was very popular premium restaurant. But it's open, but totally empty. The boutiques are open again, that's actually good. And some international tourists walking around, that's for sure. This is Ultimo, it was Char Char, now it's Ultimo, the restaurant with the tables like this. Very nice, especially for dating or something like that, facing the street. Ultimo, everyone asking about Ultimo, here we go. But there are tourists walking, here we go, check this out. Here, and here, and here, and there, on every single corner. Actually, corn guy, taxi, motorbike guy, everybody. everybody, even police officers. Actually, I'm not sure what's going on. Why is the police here? You have to walk. Also officially right now, very interesting fact, since yesterday Mr. President announced as there is no more PCR or antigen test when you are coming to Bali, and also you don't have to wear a mask outdoors. As you saw, I just passed police officers, totally no problem. However, many people still wear it. The similar situation like anywhere else in Asia, even you don't have to, people still wear it. However, officially you don't have to, only indoors, in the mall or somewhere in the shop. And the situation? Definitely better. I mean, there's still very far until really good, but slightly better and better. However, still nice Jimmy. I used to drive like this. Maybe you remember, guys. Religion shop, somebody asked me about. They still exist. They are still open, having a close. Here's supposed to be construction of Los Gringos. However, it's gone by the wind. Empty land. Nothing has started yet. So maybe if you would like to invest. This old Volkswagen, very nice, but this exhaust broke the car. So loud, but yeah, some tourists walking around. Still you can find some empty places and some massage parlor girls looking for the customers. There are any kind of massagers here. Boutiques heading now into area of fancy restaurants like La Favela, Red Carpet, popular hotspot on the middle of the street. Alright, just throwing around the La Favela and stuff, and I met the fans from Finland?
Finland, yeah.
Finland.
Hello, and greetings to my lovely mom.
I hope so, she's watching.
She's.
Hello, Mama. I meet him.
Yeah,
He's alright. He's enjoying his life.
I'm alive. I'm alive, at least. Hey.
La Favela seems to be open. Boutiques here, the Natis restaurant, some people inside. I just met a lovely guy from Finland. Always happy to say hi to you and talk to you guys. Thank you so much. And greetings to Mama. Anyway, the red carpet here, it's open. There are some tourists walking from the gang. Well, it's 5. Maybe I should come here during the night. Will be slightly busier, but on current condition, I'm showing you late afternoon. How does it look like? And behind me is the corner house. Corner house was always busy, always open. We were there making video in March 2021 during the middle of you know what, and was also full packed. Actually here is a little bit quiet than the other side of the Seminyak, so it also depends of the area of the point. It's not like it was fully packed. I think for that we have to wait for another few months, maybe next year, to be fully packed like it was. I believe as it will be busier and busier each week, each month, especially now when the tests they are not necessary to come to Bali. Also holidays in many countries, maybe July, September, something like that. It's gonna be busier, that's for sure. Waiting for the better times, but it's definitely better than it was even 2 months ago, even a month ago. Also at the end, somebody asked me about the small Seminyak Square. Here you go, it's open. Most of the shops inside they are open. Mostly they are clothes shop and some liquor store. On the parking area they make like stalls with the clothes. So many dresses, actually quite beautiful dresses. Should bring my wife here. Maybe saying you're gonna choose something here. And for every ladies, here we go, that's for you. Only 15% of my audience are ladies, but I appreciate you. As you are watching me, thank you so much. This is for you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow on next one. As always, see ya, take care.